In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify development store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make smart choices during setup so your test environment is ready to build, demo, or experiment safely. Start on your Shopify dashboard. From the home screen, look for the My Store area in the main navigation and open it. This brings you to the section where all of your stores are organized. If you're working from a partner or developer dashboard, this is where you'll manage test environments alongside any other stores you have access to. Give the page a moment to load. Depending on your access, you may see multiple tabs or filters. Inside the Store section, locate the Dev Stores option and select it. This view narrows the list down to sandboxes designed for building and testing. It's a clean way to keep your development work separate from live commerce, so you can try themes, apps, and integrations without risking any real customer or order data. If you don't see any stores yet, that's perfectly fine. We're about to create one. Next, choose Create Dev Store. You'll be guided through a short setup flow. Here's what to consider as you move through it. First, pick a clear, memorable store name. Many teams use a consistent prefix or suffix like dev to keep environments easy to recognize. You'll also be asked to choose from available setup options. These commonly include the store's purpose, the initial configuration, and whether to start with sample data. Selecting sample products and mock content can save time when testing themes and layouts, because you'll see pages populated right away. Review any regional settings, such as currency and language, to match the markets you plan to serve. For payments, keep everything in test mode while you're experimenting so you don't process real transactions. If you're prompted for collaborator or staff access later, only add the people who need it and assign the minimum roles required for their work. When you're happy with your choices, click Create and continue through the prompts. Shopify will provision your development store automatically. Once it's ready, you can open the admin to install themes, connect apps, seed products, and fine-tune settings, confident that you're working in a safe test environment. If you ever need to revisit your dev stores, just return to the My Store section and open the Dev Stores view again. That's it. You've created a Shopify development store and set it up thoughtfully so you can build, test, and iterate without impacting any live storefront.